The Process Data Analyst SAP Signavio exam has changed. Memorizing definitions is no longer enough. In the new performance-based SAP exam, you'll face realistic business situations, interact with an AI stakeholder, and defend your recommendations like a real process data analyst. If you're preparing for the SAP Certified Process Data Analyst, SAP Signavio certification, this video will show you how scenario-based questions work and the types of tasks you can expect. Let's start with a real exam-style scenario. You'll analyze business processes, evaluate KPIs, identify bottlenecks, and use SAP Signavio insights to recommend data-driven improvements. Just like in the actual exam, you'll need to explain and justify your recommendations to an AI stakeholder who may challenge your decisions. Scenario 1. Purchase order approval delays. AI stakeholder. We've noticed that purchase orders are taking much longer to approve than expected. Leadership wants answers. Can you investigate? Candidate analysis. First, I would examine the purchase-to-pay process within SAP Signavio Process Intelligence. My objective would be identifying where delays occur and measuring their business impact. I would analyze average approval duration, approval frequency by department, process variance, rework activities, bottleneck locations, AI stakeholder. What if the delays aren't consistent? Candidate response. I would compare process variance. Process mining often reveals that some approval paths follow the standard workflow while others involve additional approvals, manual interventions, or exception handling. By comparing variance, I can isolate the paths causing delays. AI stakeholder. How would you present findings? Candidate response. I would use Signavio dashboards to show longest approval stages, departments causing bottlenecks, average waiting time, potential automation opportunities. This enables management to make data-driven improvement decisions. Scenario 2. High invoice rework rates. AI stakeholder. Our finance team reports excessive invoice rework. How would you investigate? Candidate response. I would begin with process mining analysis. My goal is identifying where invoices return to previous process steps. I would review process variance, repeated activities, manual corrections, missing data patterns. AI stakeholder. What insights would indicate a root cause? Candidate response. If invoices repeatedly return for correction after validation, this suggests poor data quality or incomplete upstream processes. If rework occurs after approval, workflow configuration issues may exist. AI stakeholder. What would you recommend? Candidate response. Recommendations may include improving data validation rules, standardizing invoice entry procedures, automating error checks, reducing unnecessary approval loops. The recommendation must be supported by measurable process evidence. A common mistake in SAP exam simulation exercises is jumping directly to solutions. The exam evaluates your ability to analyze evidence before recommending actions. If you want hands-on SAP scenario-based questions similar to these AI roleplay assessments, platforms like certshero.com provide practice environments focused on realistic SAP exam tasks and decision-making exercises. Scenario 3. Process variant. Explosion. AI stakeholder. Our order fulfillment process has hundreds of variants. Management believes this is creating inefficiencies. What would you do? Candidate response. I would use Signavio variant analysis to identify most common variants, high-cost variants, slow-performing variants, non-compliant variants. AI stakeholder. Why is this important? Candidate response. Too many variants often indicate inconsistent process execution. Standardized processes usually improve efficiency, compliance, and reporting accuracy. AI stakeholder. How would you prioritize improvements? Candidate response. I would focus first on high-frequency variants creating the greatest business impact. Then I would compare them against the desired process model to identify deviations. This allows targeted optimization rather than broad process redesign. Scenario 4. KPI Performance Decline. AI stakeholder. Cycle times increased by 25% over the last quarter. How would you investigate? Candidate response. I would compare process performance across periods. Key areas include throughput time, waiting time, resource utilization, process variance, AI stakeholder. What if volume remained stable? Candidate response. If transaction volume remained stable while cycle time increased, the issue likely lies within process execution rather than workload growth. Potential causes include additional approvals, staffing constraints, new compliance requirements, process deviations, AI stakeholder. What would be your final output? Candidate response. A data-supported report showing root causes, affected process stages, KPI impact, recommended improvements, expected business benefits. This is exactly the type of business-oriented communication SAP expects from a process data analyst. What SAP is really testing. This exam is not simply testing terminology. It's evaluating whether you can analyze business processes, interpret process mining insights, identify bottlenecks, evaluate KPIs, explain findings to stakeholders, recommend evidence-based improvements. This is why SAP hands-on practice is becoming increasingly important for certification success. These are the types of challenges you can expect in a SAP performance-based exam. If you're preparing for the SAP Certified Process Data Analyst, SAP Signavio certification, focus on practicing real-world scenarios, not just memorizing concepts. For more SAP exam simulations, AI role-play exercises, and scenario-based questions, visit certshero.com. You can also explore our SAP certification playlist for additional hands-on exam preparation. Subscribe for weekly SAP certification content, and remember, passing the exam is important, but the real goal is being ready to perform the job from day one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.